we go? The first question of first form which is on the screen now. Which organelle control all the functions of the same? Nucleus. जवाब सही है. So next question is simplest building unit of matter is atom. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. The next question is the ability to do some work is called as energy. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. The next question is basic unit of living thing is cell. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. The next question is two or more than two atoms combine to form molecule. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. The next question is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy is termed as
mechanical energy.
mechanical energy. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. The next question is the formula of ozone layer is O3. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. The next question is storage area of cell is called as vacuum. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is ARO stand for जवाब गलत आए सही जवाब आए लो अर्थ ऑर्बिट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फार्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज C6H12O6. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज organism which contain only one cell is called unicellular organisms. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is matter that is made up of only same type of atoms is called जवाब गलत आए एलिमेंट. Next question is the form of energy which can see things is called light energy. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is organisms which contain more than one cell are called as multicellular organisms. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is Latin name of lead is plumbum. जवाब बिल्कुल सही है. माइक के क्लोज कर जवाब दो. The source of light energy on earth is sun is the source of light energy on earth. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is speed of sound in air is 300 meter per second. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is speed of sound in water 1500 meter per second. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is formula of water is H2O. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is the main constituent of the bones and teeth of the animal is calcium. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is a simple machine which is used to move or lift heavy object is called a pulley. सही जवाब आए। The next question is, which instrument make our work much easier? Simple machine. जवाब बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है। Next question is, how many percentage of carbon dioxide present in atmosphere? 0.03%. बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Next question is, water constitute of how much percentage of our body weight? 90%. बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Next question is, organism which make their own food are called as producers or autotrophs. सही जवाब। The next question is, living part of the environment is called as? इसका जो जवाब गलत है। living part of environment is called as biotic component. Next question is, the major constituent of hemoglobin in the red blood cell of animal is? Iron. बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Next question is, anything has mass and occupies space is called as? जवाब गलत है। Matter is the substance which has mass and occupies space. The next question is, how many types of pulley and what are they? There are two types of pulley, fixed pulley and a movable pulley. बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Next question is, how many types of mirror? Two types of mirror. जवाब बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है। Next question is, how many types of tissues present in animal body? 4 types. सही जवाब। Next question is, largest organ of our body is? जवाब गलत है। largest organ of our body is skin. Largest internal organ of our body is liver. Next question is, muscular organ that pumps blood to all parts of body is called? Heart. बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Next question is, universal solvent is? Water. सही जवाब। Next question is, a substance is said to be soluble is called? Solute. You actually correct करना लगे छोटे में actual definition में जो solute आ इसे incorrect आ तरीका इन्हें कैसा consider करना है right. Convex mirror is also called as? Converging mirror. गलत जवाब। Convex diverging हुआ, concave converging mirror. Next question is, an optical instrument which use mirror to reflect and fascinating patterns is called? Kaleidoscope. बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Next question is, do all solutes dissolve in all solvents? No. बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Next question is, which organ work like a radio? Ear. बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Next question is, which organs are responsible for the sight? कहाँ जो टाइम पूरा दिन जो है, eyes are the responsible for the sight. The next question is, which one gas is toxic and highly reactive? Nitrogen is not toxic. Chlorine gas is highly reactive and toxic. The next question is, the chemical combination of two or more two elements results in? ताल जवाब गलत है। Compound. The next question is, When light falls on the surface of the materials, it passes through the materials. The process is known as.
Reflection of light.
It is actually transmission of light. Next question is, formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Next question is, physical blend of two or more two elements is known as mixture. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. The next question is, the process which release energy from the food is known as. The process which release the energy from food is. जवाब गलत आए, respiration. Next question is, organisms that break down animals into smaller pieces are called. Time proceed by decomposers or scavengers. Next question is, how much temperature is needed to contain the process of photosynthesis? जवाब गलत आए, सही जवाब आए up to 40 degree centigrade. Next question is, and last question of this round is, which organ is responsible for the sense of smell? Nose. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. इतने ना जो फर्स्ट राउंड पूरा थी, इन फर्स्ट राउंड जो स्कोर आए